Let's learn how do we divide the number 424 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 4. We know that 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Subtract, we get 0. This 0 is less than 4. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 2 here. Look that this is the number 2. So we will remove this 0. But see that in this case this 2 is less than 4. But as we have brought down this 2 here, we need to divide it. We know that 4 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get 2. Now 2 is less than 4. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 4 here. Now look that 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Subtract, we get 0. Now we have no number to bring down here and we have got the number 0. So we will stop. Therefore, 424 divided by 4 is equal to this number 106. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.